Good day everyone! Welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to divide rational expressions.
Okay, so here are the steps in dividing rational expressions. Step 1. Write the equivalent multiplication statement using the reciprocal of our divisor. Step 2. Factor the numerator and denominator. Step 3. Cancel out any numerator factor with any matching denominator factor. Step 4. Multiply the numerators and the denominators. And step 5, simplify if possible. Now let's proceed to our example to show you all the steps. Let's have another example. So for example, we're dividing these two rational expressions. So first thing that we need to do is to get the reciprocal of our divisor. So we will copy our given. But instead of copying the operation, we will change it to multiplication and then get the reciprocal of our divisor. So we will interchange the numerator and denominator. So we have x squared plus xy for our numerator, and for our denominator, it will be 2x minus 2y. And then after that, step 2, we're now going to factor our numerators and denominator. So let's identify the factoring type that we're going to use for each part. So for the numerator, for our first numerator, it will be difference of two squares. For our denominator, we can use perfect square trinomial. For our second numerator, we can apply common monomial factoring. And for our denominator as well, we're going to use common monomial factoring. So let's apply the factoring to each part. So for our first numerator, it will be x minus y times x plus y. And the denominator will be x plus y times x plus y. So it is multiplied to our second rational expression, which is, let's factor our numerator. Common factor is x plus y. And for our denominator, common factor is 2. We will have x minus y. And then let's proceed to cancellation. So let's cancel the common factors that are present in our numerator and denominator. So x plus y, x minus y, and x minus y, x plus y, and x plus y. Now let's multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. We will have x over 2. If we cannot simplify this will be our final answer. Alright, for example, we are dividing these two rational expressions, so we're going to follow the steps in dividing rational expression. So first step is for us to get the reciprocal of our divisor. So let's convert. Okay, copy our first rational expression. Okay, change the operation to multiplication and then get the reciprocal of our divisor. It will be a squared minus 5a will serve as our numerator, and a squared minus 3a will now be our denominator. The next step is for us to factor the numerators and the denominators. So let's identify the type of factoring that we're going to use for each part. So for the numerator, that's just simple factoring of monomial. For our denominator, we're going to use dots. For our second numerator, it will be quadratic trinomial, case number 1. And for our second denominator, we can apply common monomial factoring. So let's apply those factoring type. So for our numerator, it is a times a. For our denominator, it is a plus 2, a minus 2. It is multiplied to our second rational expression with the factor of a minus 3 times a minus 2 all over, common factor is a times a minus 3. Okay, then let's apply cancellation. So let's cancel all common factors that is present in our numerator and our denominator. A minus 2 cancel, a minus 3 cancel. We can cancel one of the a's. And then let's multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So we will have a over a plus 2. And that will be our final answer. Alright.
Now that you already know how to divide rational expressions, it is your turn to try it. Please click the link in our description box below in order for you to test your skills. That's it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video.